There is a national trend towards universities hiring non-tenured faculty over tenured track or tenured faculty. Contrary to national trend, Foster faculty is still made up of 70% tenured track professors.
Throughout the summer, faculty and staff were asking students a tough question: how can we improve the Foster School? As the search for the next dean of Foster progressed, our group came to a consensus. We wanted to find an answer to that question. After learning the concepts of the job characteristics theory, we wanted to focus on job satisfaction within Foster.
Why is Foster going against the national trend and hiring the same amount of non-tenure track faculty? Is there a correlation between job satisfaction and position that explains Foster's decision-making? To find out, our team explored the difference in job satisfaction between Foster's tenure and non-tenure track faculty.
Job satisfaction is important because it has ties to commitment. Also, we personally want faculty who are satisfied teaching us, as it will improve our motivation and satisfaction as well.
At Foster, tenured track faculty includes tenured professors, associate professors, and assistant professors. Non-tenured track faculty include part-time lecturers, full-time lecturers, and senior lecturers.
For 3 days, we walked the halls of both Packer and Mackenzie, passing out surveys to faculty members. In order to compare our data with data outside of Foster, we distributed surveys at Seattle University's Albers School of Business and UW's Department of Engineering as well. We wanted to collect data from similar samples to see if our results were valid.
We initially expected that tenured and tenure track faculty satisfaction would be higher than non-tenure track faculty satisfaction. This difference would be driven by higher task variety, autonomy, and task identity of professors.
We analyzed the surveys, and we were slightly surprised to find no significant difference in job satisfaction between tenure track and non-tenure track faculty.
Lecturers and non-tenure track faculty had higher job significance, felt more satisfied with their service work, and were more satisfied with feedback that they receive.
Tenure track job satisfaction was higher in certain areas, like resources to improve teaching. We found that lecturers are expected to be good teachers when they arrive, and they have no required teaching training. Unsurprisingly, tenure track faculty were more satisfied with their salary. And then lastly, the mental challenge of their work. Tenure track tends to do many different types of work in their job.
We found there was no significant difference in burnout, task identity, and autonomy. In fact, both indicated high autonomy. One lecturer joked, "We can work whatever 70 hours a week we want." Some survey results that we were curious about included the support faculty got in teaching, the satisfaction with service work, and the impact of their work.
Neither lecturers nor professors were surprised at the difference in job significance. Professors are uncertain if anyone outside of academia will ever read the results of their research, and feel as though research can have a limited impact on the real world. Meanwhile, lecturers focus almost solely on teaching and frequently work directly with undergraduate students. These lecturers feel as though they're making a direct impact on the lives of their students. Our interviewees also thought the higher satisfaction shown by lecturers in regards to service work was unsurprising. Professors explained that they are generally discouraged from active involvement in service work, with one faculty citing a story of an evaluation where they were told they spent too much time working with students and not enough on research. Lecturers love their service work, even if it has no bearing on their evaluations. They see service work as an opportunity to interact with students while making a difference in the community. We were surprised, as a group, that lecturers were more satisfied with feedback received, but those who we interviewed offered explanations for the difference. Tenure track feedback is especially slow. The feedback for research is whether or not a paper is published, and that's a long process. Maybe a year, maybe longer. Waiting on feedback can be frustrating. Lecturers get immediate feedback from students through course evaluations, which count for 100% of a lecturer's performance evaluation.
While our group had some outside knowledge of the differences in job characteristics of lecturers and professors, it was crucial to our project to interview faculty and to do it after completing the surveys. Without seeing the survey data first, it would have been difficult for our group to ask the right questions in the interviews. We found our method very effective. By distributing surveys first and going through the results in faculty interviews afterwards, we were able to come to more precise conclusions and better understand the data we collected.
We came into the project wondering how administration and the new dean could improve job satisfaction amongst faculty. We left realizing that many groups can work together on improving the job satisfaction of tenured track and non-tenured track faculty.
There are ways faculty can improve their own satisfaction. Faculty, especially those who are tenured or on the tenure track, can improve in approachability. This would include a more open door policy for faculty. One professor we interviewed who works with their door open felt this helps students be more comfortable asking for help from professors. Many faculty members cited the importance of getting to know students, especially learning names. As a professor or lecturer, it's easier to make an impact on someone's life when you know their name. Building connections will help those professors feel as though they're making an impact on the lives of their students and improve overall satisfaction.
Based on the interviews, we learned that students have the largest impact on faculty satisfaction. Both lecturers and tenure track professors said that they entered a teaching career to make an impact. If you have the time and there's a specific teacher who you felt has made a positive impact on your time at UW, write a thank you note to them and acknowledge their hard work. It means the world to them, and a simple card or email can go a long way in improving satisfaction.
Our recommendations for the administration are to not remove full-time lecturers from PACCAR when Mackenzie is torn down. This could really hurt job satisfaction for that year and a half when lecturers are relocated to Condon. Students would not go to office hours as much, and therefore relationships would not be as easily formed between students and lecturers. Lecturers could easily work out of a shared office space system. Additionally, the administration could create a reward system for cross-department collaboration, which would encourage more interdisciplinary research and interaction between faculty in different departments.
Overall, we want our faculty to be satisfied with their jobs so they will enjoy teaching and therefore put effort into their role as a faculty member at UW. This cycle has a crucial role in the reputation of the Foster Business School, and satisfaction can lead to more effort into making this program at UW strong.